In the previous video, we have seen how to remove a list from another list. So this is completed. In this video, we will see what is retainAll method. That means how to retain the common elements between two arrays and how to remove all the other elements. So what is retainAll? Let's say I have two array lists. One is AL1 and I have the elements like Subbu, Venkat, Rajesh, Vamshi. So I have 4 string elements in the first array list and I have another array list AL2 and I have elements like Subbu, Raghu and Rajesh. Now, what are the common elements between these two? The common elements are Subbu and Rajesh. So, I want to retain only these common elements in AL1 and remove all the other elements. So, I want to retain only Subbu and Rajesh which are common between this AL1 and AL2 and I want to remove Venkat and Vamshi. So, for this one, we have to use the method retainAll. So, we can say AL1 dot retainAll of AL2. So, this is the method we have to use. So, when we use this retainAll method, then it retains the elements of AL2 which are in AL1 and removes all the other elements. So, the elements of AL2 which are in AL1 are Subbu and Rajesh. So, it retains these two elements and removes Venkat and Vamshi. So, let us see an example on this one. I am creating a new class here. So, new class and I will give the name as retainAll list and I am using the main method here. Click on finish and I am creating the first array list here. So, array list of string type AL1 equals to new array list of string type and then okay, now I am adding some elements to it. So, AL1 dot add of Subbu, Venkat, Rajesh and Vamshi. Now, I will create another array list. I am just copying the same thing and pasting it here and I will change the name. So, the second array list is AL2 and I am adding elements to the second array list. So, AL2 dot. So, first one I will leave it as it is. I am adding Subbu and then AL2 dot I am adding Raghu and third one I will leave it as it is Rajesh. So, fourth one I will remove this one. Okay. So, now I have created the second array list and I am adding Subbu, Raghu and Rajesh to the second array list. Now, what I want to do is I want to retain the elements in AL1 which are there in AL2 as well. That means the common elements which are Subbu and Rajesh here and I want to remove all the other elements like Venkat and Vamshi. So, for this one we have to use retainAll method. So, AL1 dot retainAll and AL2. We have to pass the second array list as a parameter. Now, let's print the first array list. So, sysout system.out.println AL1. Now, this will print the elements of the array list. Let's run this one. Run as Java application and you can see that only Subbu and Rajesh are there in AL1 and all the other common elements Subbu and Rajesh are the common elements, so those are there in AL1, but all the other elements are removed. So we can use retainAll method to keep only the common elements between two array lists and remove all the others. In this video, we have seen what is retainAll method and how to use it. If you want to download the document for this one, you can go to my repository at github.com/subbustech and then go to Selenium-Java-tutorials. This particular tutorial starts with 23E and you can find it here, which is collections framework -retainAll. You can download this document. In the next video, we will see how to create list of lists in Java.